Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include parking sensors, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. Take a ride in the 2012 GL Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.